This is a simple, inexpensive adapter that will convert from a Dyson version 6 accessory to a Dyson version 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11 vacuum. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $6. So inside, all we have is this adapter. And the whole point of this adapter is if you have like a V8, V9, V10, V7 Dyson Vacuum, it has accessories that look like this with the button that snaps in place like that. And that's great, but maybe you don't have a crevice tool and you want to use a crevice tool that you have left over from a Dyson V6 vacuum. These guys don't have the button. They sort of go in, but they don't really snap, they don't really hold. All this guy does is it will accept the V6 accessories, hold them in place in a V7, 8, 9, 10, 11 vacuum. So if you have unpowered V6 accessories you want to use in a later version vacuum, that's what this adapter does. Now, you might notice I said unpowered because this guy does not have any power port passed through. It does not work with anything with a motor in it. So it's just for the accessories, you know, things like this or this that don't have a motor built in. So it's plastic. It wiggles a little bit back and forth, so you have a little bit of angular motion at the end of the tip there, but it holds in pretty well. You know, there's a little wiggle in and out, but it's holding. You're not going to get that out without pushing that thing down to pop it out. And then this side also clicks in and out pretty well. So I would say this adapter does exactly what it was designed to do, which is let you use some of your older accessories with the newer version vacuums. It's pretty inexpensive, so if you're in that particular situation, you have an accessory you want to use, it's pretty much a no-brainer. That's the adapter you need to get.